Lightstreet is a B2B telco organization and implemented BRIM. ABC Incorporated is a customer of Lightstreet, and David is the procurement executive who manages relationships with Lightstreet. David ends up spending a lot of time on a regular basis with Lightstreet as he can't see all their account details all the time. Sometimes he does not even get the invoices on time. If there is a question regarding the invoice, he needs to call Lightstreet, and then also it takes a long time to explain the issues to them. After spending so much effort, he never receives the status of his queries. David started getting frustrated with Lightstreet, but right then he received a mail from Lightstreet about their new customer portal with a URL and a QR code. David goes to the URL and registers himself using some basic information and his mobile number and email ID. David receives OTP, and on successful validation he logs into Q2C CustomerPortal app. Q2C CustomerPortal takes David to centralized dashboard where David can see all their contracts, detail of the contracts, due amount with due dates. David can also see all invoices with payment status like paid, unpaid, or partially paid, and on a click he can also see the details of each invoice. Every time a new invoice is generated, David also receives a notification. David can make payments to any invoice using the Q2C CustomerPortal. He can also set up recurring payments and save payment methods for future payments. David can also download the invoices. If he is not okay with a charge, he can raise a dispute against a particular line item or dispute the entire invoice. He can also see the status of his disputes at any time from Q2C CustomerPortal. Q2C CustomerPortal also enables David to view his billable items before invoicing and raise questions or reject them at an early stage to reduce invoice disputes. David can also renew or cancel their subscriptions at any time from the portal. Q2C CustomerPortal comes with iOS and Android-based mobile apps that enables David to perform all these functions using his phone when he is not on his desk.